Dryer making a weird noise? The type of sound tells you exactly what's wrong. Squeaking or squealing, drum rollers or the idler pulley. The drum sits on rollers at the back. When the bearings wear out, they squeak. The idler pulley keeps the belt tight and also squeaks when worn. 150 to 250 for rollers. About 100 for the pulley. Thumping, either flat spots on the drum rollers or a heavy item like shoes tumbling. If it thumps with an empty load, the rollers have flat spots from sitting in one position. Needs replacement. Same cost as above. Grinding, metal on metal. Something is seriously worn. Usually the drum glides, plastic or felt pieces that the front of the drum slides on. When they wear through, metal grinds on metal. 100 to 200 to replace. Humming or buzzing, the motor. If the dryer hums but doesn't turn, the motor might be seized or the belt is broken. Try spinning the drum by hand. If it spins freely, the motor capacitor or motor itself may need replacing. 200 to 400. Clicking, could be a button, coin, or other small item caught in the drum baffle or lint trap housing. Check the lint trap area and run an empty cycle. Rattling, usually something external. Check that the dryer is level. Look for loose screws on the back panel. Any metallic sound means stop the dryer and call a tech. Running it with a metal-on-metal issue causes expensive secondary damage. Same-day dryer repair. All brands. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.